guys, we're gonna be making slime. And we got this too.
Yeah, there's barely any, but it's okay.
We can use just a tiny bit of it.
Yeah.
So do we put shaving cream first? Or no?
We'll glue first. I'm gonna really hope this works, because if it doesn't, I'm gonna go.
Oh shit. If it doesn't work, I swear.
No. I need to add this. Okay, barely any, but that's okay.
You go, girl.
Some of this. Then it should mix. Let's mix them.
Oh my gosh. What if it doesn't work?
It will work. Don't you worry, baby. I'll make sure it works.
Of course.
Just gonna add a lot. Yeah, there we go.
I think we need more.
Yeah. Probably gonna have to add like the whole entire bottle.
You would have the one upstairs.
Yeah. Together out there, you'll be near.
I think more.
Hi, Charlie.
Oh my gosh, your cat's coming. What if your cat eats slime?
He won't. Charlie, no. Charlie.
Don't touch my slime. Touch my slime.
Eat the slime.
Eat it. Charlie. Baby. Come here.
He's gonna get his paws all dirty.
Let's show her cat.
His name is Charlie. He's walking.
He's homophobic.
Yeah. I'll be there. You'll be near. Hi, baby.
You know what?
What? I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be near. Ooh, this made some good slime.
I'm sorry, the one dot.
I know. Here's the shaving cream.
Thank you. Actually, I do. Oh my gosh, her cat is right here. She wants to eat the slime.
Teddy, no.
Her cat's trying to eat the slime.
Yeah.
He's curious.
He's very curious. He doesn't go outside, that's why. We don't let him.
Touch some grass.
Touch some bluegrass, Charlie.
My slime looks like the ocean.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, mine is so sticky.
I'm gonna add a little bit more. Yes.
Oh my gosh, your cat's gonna eat the slime. Oh my gosh, she's hungry.
It's okay. She doesn't care. She just.
Should we mix hers or no?
Yeah.
We're gonna mix this blue slime with her white one.
Okay.
I really love the texture.
Yeah. Oh my god, it looks so pretty.
I feel so Karina Garcia.
Yeah. It's fine. Okay, guys, here's our slime.
Oh my gosh. Teddy's here. What if he...
What did I leave out? The what
That was
open?
Haven.
That was Sissy. So pretty. Yeah. I'm not. No, I didn't. Oh. Oh. That's your grandma. Your grandma's calling you. Your grandma is calling. Your grandma was calling you.
Okay, mix that in. Wait, let's add more shaving cream.
Your what? Hi, Teddy.
Oh my gosh. Look it. It's her dog, Teddy.
Yes. Oh, and then Charlie's right in front of the camera.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Everything's in the dishwasher. Oh my gosh, we got Teddy.
Yes, Teddy's a special guest. We're gonna color it both red and green. So, gonna go and do the green first.
I love Teddy. Oh my gosh, look how cute.
We all do.
It's his channel now.
Mm-hmm. The Teddy channel. Featuring Maliah Homo and Brayden Homo.
Smells just like a dog.
Those are my brand new shoes. No, but I like to wear them to gym, so well, don't get them dirty. They're very expensive.
Wait, Mama, did you go to Target yet?
No.
Okay. So,
Okay, let's add the
okay,
red.
we have green slime now, but I'm gonna add red.
Because red is beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at it. Oh my god. Okay, wait.
Okay, but now we have red in it. Now it looks like period blood. That's okay. This is probably gonna stain my nails so bad, dude. Wait,
Do you want me to mix it?
It looks like watermelon. That's okay.
I'm so scared.
Wait, it looks so pretty. Oh, hi, Jenny. Hi, baby. Wait, that's pretty. Pretty.
I thought it was gonna be like brown.
I know.
I think we need to add a green actually to make it brown, but
Yeah. Made this like pretty peach color. So that's nice.
my knees. Oh, it's like straight up blood.
Red, 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 red. Don't mind my posture. My posture is horrible.
Don't worry, mine is like the worst. Wait, should we make it brown? Let's just keep it this color.
Let's make it brown.
Oh my gosh, your floor.
It's okay. Do you want to mix it?
So,
Do you want to mix it?
yeah, oh my gosh, my shirt's coming up.
Oh my god.
Thank you.
It's like green. It looks like.
It's just like flashed everybody.
Yeah. I'll mix it. I'll mix it. I'll mix it. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my god.
It's not brown.
It's not brown. It's just so ugly. Hold on. Oh my god. It'll come out, I think.
Wait.
Food coloring, it can't be that bad. Wait, no, it's coming out. It's coming out, don't worry. Ew. This is such an ugly color.
I mean, it's kind of
Yeah.
brown.
Yeah, kind of. But it's like a poopy brown. Like a ice spice brown.
I'm from
Wait, no, it looks
McDonald's.
like peanut butter. That's what it looks like. I think it's just because you don't have slime hands. I'm sorry.
You can't say that.
I'm sorry.
I just like flash everybody my ass.
I'm just like, alright guys, time to go. Bye. Just show your ice cream.
I do that to everybody.
Yeah, dogs didn't have slime hands, guys.
But look, I found a chair.
Look at it.
It's all right.
Who is that?
There's nobody. Okay, guys, this is the new
Oh
color.
my gosh, look what's on the floor. Should we add it to the slime? The bug.
Oh!
Should we add the bug to the slime?
Gotta kill the bug.
Have Charlie. I mean,
We killed the bug.
Okay, look my finger. Look. He ate it. He ate the bug.
Oh.
This is my child.
I'm getting a divorce. Take a minute. Take it in. The journey is usually the part where you remember anyway.
The journey is usually the part that you remember anyways. I'm about to.
Scott and
You know what this is? My,
I heard you explaining it.
and you searched it up?
Huh?
You searched it up.
They can just search it up on Reddit.
Yeah, I probably saw it. That's how I figured out what it was. No, it's scary.
It's scary.
The door's still open.
It's fine.
And the crevices.
It's okay. Okay guys, we have our peanut butter slime. This is gonna go for $3,000.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, it's way overactivated too.
Yeah. But overactivated just means that it was put in with a lot of hard work, you know. Let's just add a bit more. Oh, that's a big orb. Fix that. Oh my god.
Your phone is not right here. Mama? What? Your phone is not right here. No.
What the heck?
It's okay.
Okay, love you, mommy. See ya. I'll be right back.
Love you, sissy. Love you.
Love you. I'll be right back. I'm coming back.
This looks like mine. You get that reference.
You're what?
I put that. Yeah.
Scared me.
Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm gonna take a look at this.
When me and Cooper were hanging out after we went home, we went so freaking far and our legs were hurting so bad.
She's so weak.
We both are.
I'm joking. I love Cooper.
We both do. Duh.
No, but like, did you guys doing like that prank or not?
No. I was good. I was supposed to do it, but I couldn't find like anybody. Like nobody else was on the trail. Okay.
This slime is so beautiful.
Wait, why do your friends call on Instagram?
Because we don't have money. We can't afford a phone bill.
Oh.
So we keep. I did not mean to hit you, my bad. Okay.
Bye guys.
Wait, let's show them the slime real quick. So here's beautiful slime. It's called, what is it called?
Peanut butter. We know that.
So here's our static slime.
This video is most likely gonna be 13 plus.
Okay.
Bye guys.
Bye.
Just stop whacking your phone with it.
Every night I rush to my bed with hopes that maybe I'll get a chance to see you when I close my eyes.